Hi there, Geoff here with a quick video looking at the difference between median and mean incomes. Now, mean income is calculated by summing all the individual incomes and dividing by how many individuals there are. So it's income per person. It's a measure of average income, whereas median represents the middle point of an income distribution, where half the population earns less and half earns more. So in the UK, up to 2024, median weekly earnings, for example, for people in full-time work were £728. Gross annual earnings around just over £37,000 a year. Now, that was median. If we look at disposable income, that's income after direct taxes and welfare benefits, equivalised to adjust for household size. So let's look at the red line there. That shows median income, hovering around £35,000 in 2022-23. Now, is the mean higher or lower than the median? What do you think? Well, it is quite a bit higher. Mean income shown there in blue, significantly higher than median, and the gap, as you can see, has been going up. By the way, this data is adjusted for inflation, and you can tell that because it says incomes measured at constant 2022-23 prices. So real incomes have been going up, as you'd expect over time, although not recently. They've been fairly flat. But the mean is well above the median. So median household disposable income in 2023 was £35,438. Mean household disposable income in the same year was just over £40,000. In fact, £40,916. That's quite a gap. It's a gap of over £5,000. Now, typically, why does this happen? Well, typically the mean income is greater than the median because the mean, or the average, is influenced by extremely high incomes, and that can skew the average upwards. The median, as we've just said, represents the midpoint, the middle of the income distribution, and that's less affected by the outliers and provides in many ways a more accurate representation of a typical household income. So higher mean income compared to the median reflects and represents the presence of quite a sizable number of high earners who elevate the average income, even though the median provides a better guide to what most individuals earn. Well, I thought I'd show you this chart showing the median full-time gross weekly pay of the highest paid occupations in the UK in 2023. So the median pay of chief executives and senior officials was over £1,500 a week. And all of these incomes, all of these jobs were paying a median income of more than £1,300 a week. £1,500 a week, of course, will be a median income of £75,000 a year or above. So it's quite important to understand the difference between median and mean. In the UK, the mean is higher than the median because of the presence of some very high income earners.